Okay, friends, so we decide to make short video one more time to explain the system one more time, how it works. Okay, basically the system, let's start from the beginning, how to install the system. So right now, this is the bridge, it's online, it's working. Let me show you how to install. In the job we attached to the archive. In this archive you can find the following stuff. First of all, you can find the expert advisor. You need to put it in the expert advisor folder. That's for sure. Then you have bridge. Bridge with all files should be placed here in the files, MQL5 files. So here is supposed to be bridge. Among the files you can see the file registry. So this is special file to register the socket connection in the Windows. So this file allows us to use the VSS sockets, because you see this is DLL of working with that VSS socket. So this is the registry. So this is not the registration of something or something. You can just simply open it and to see that this registry only couple of keys. So by double clicking on it you will install proper lines in the registry, and then you can run the bridge by double clicking. When you run the bridge, first of all you will need to make the following settings. You need to click this button, open trading settings. Here you can adjust minimal retirement. This is the lot multiplier, that stuff. Let me open the technical task. So okay, from very beginning, first strategy, I see that the client has no any issues about first strategy, so we will switch to the second strategy. Okay, what we have here, which is linked to the bridge. Minimal retirement. This is that setting. You can adjust it. Next, money management. Increase lot size as fund increases. I've explained to the Charles couple of times, and plus to Danny, to his, I don't know, to his boss or something like that, that binary.com gives only 50 deals, last 50 deals. So when we ask binary.com to give us the list of closed deals by some certain account, they gives us only 50 deals. So all this calculation can be done only based on 50 deals. But you know, you can have the first deal negative minus $2,000, and next 50 deals you will have positive and you will make $500, and the system will understand that your deposit is increased. Plus, we cannot use the deposit from binary.com, because you see on the chart we have printed it, because it's not a good way to use. Explain this stuff. The explanation is very simple, because on this particular account can be traded more than one expert advisor, this one. So it will be, for example, 2 or 3 assets are trading, and 2 or 3 assets will be adding some money or getting back, and we cannot increase it. Plus, you can have manual trades on this account, and the manual trades will be in this thing. So the system gets only 50 deals, filtered by app ID, to delete all manual deals, to delete all deals which is not done by this expert advisor, and print the result of last 50 deals here. So this is the only what we can do. We explained that to client. Client agreed with that. He told that okay, we will do that. Why we use this? Because if you'll have like 5 or 10 symbols trading on one account, in one place you will simply modify this multiplier. You will don't need to modify each setting on each expert advisor. You will modify only the lot multiplier here in one place, and there will be enough. The client agreed with that. these settings are done before. So this is martingale, this is classic martingale. This martingale has nothing with the client order, because the client order special martingale, which is not auto or signal. So that martingale logic is introduced in the expert advisor, because that was the ready product. The breach is the ready product, and the client agreed with that. Okay, so app ID. You should have unique app ID and done only for certain account. Right now the client is using app ID of mine, app ID, this one, the same, and some exceptions can be caused by that. And I told him, I showed him on the Skype conference how to make the app ID. I don't know whether he used or not his own app ID, because this is like magic number on the binary.com. So using one app ID for many application is bad. So each application should have its own app ID. Okay, so this is from the technical task in the field in the trading settings. I showed you money management and minimal return. App ID for testing you can use, of course, you can use this one. Okay, so next we can close that. Then to start reading the commands from MT4 or MT5, you need to click this checkbox. Then trading time. Client asked to have a trading time. That was done before, and we get some issues with him because he never checked this field. You click on this button, you see not just simply start and end. You can make range like from 1 AM till 2 AM, then from 3 AM till 5 AM, and so on and so forth. So this is the good stuff, good time management. So we can use from 7 or from, I don't know, you can adjust any stuff, or manual you can type, or here you can type like 2300, add interval, click save, that's it. So trading interval is set. Access token from binary.com. It's very simple to get. You need to go to binary.com. You need to go here, security limits, API tokens, click here and create API token, read and trade, then click create. Okay, it's very simple. And you put here the API token, click save, that's it. Then you can click start the system. When click start the system, you will see this one green. Stop the system, red. Start the system, done. So the connection is done. Some basic information is printed here. Okay. The expert advisor. Expert advisor, simply put on the chart, make some settings. Let me show you the settings of expert advisor. So here is the settings. Very important settings. If you are trading on couple of symbols on one MT5, each symbol should have its own file index. That was done in order not to make a mess between simultaneously signals from one symbol, another symbol, and another symbol, and breach can open only one. So to prevent that, each expert advisor on each symbol should have its unique file index from 1 up to 20. The client knows about that. Okay, next. Type of currency on the binary.com. If you have euro account, you can type here euro. Okay. Strategy type. This is the select. So you can select the first strategy and the second strategy. As I told you, on the first strategy we don't have any issues. There was an issue about gaps, and we told to client to be sure and to check this stuff from technical task. Do not open buy if there is a gap up, but open sell. So we understand it's clear. if we have a condition to open buy, but we have a gap up, and that gap has fit the gap minimum size, we open vice versa. But the client told us that it cannot be. We have a lot of issues with that. We fixed it. So with the first strategy, there is nothing. Okay. Next, second strategy. What settings we have here? So we go to here. Second strategy. This one. Okay. Let me make it bigger. Okay. So, second strategy. Entry. Buy XP above the price, sell XP below the price, the open price of the candle. Here's the settings. X pips, max order on the candle, this one. Skip candles, we have here the skip candle. Pip range, here's points to open, this one. This pip range. Time range 5. Do not open trade if current candle has spent 5 seconds. We have it here. Time to open. Time to open. You choose the duration unit like seconds, minutes, hours, ticks, and put the value here. Next. Minimum retirement. I showed you money man. I showed you trading time. I showed you on the bridge. Use martingale. So the martingale we use here. So this is the source, the root of all issues which client is claiming us to that we make some mistakes or something like that. All issues are here. Client wants to have MT5. We did it on MT5. Clients wants to have in MT5 the martingale, to use the MT5 chart and make all decisions here on the MT5 and send to binary.com the result as a signal. We did that because we told him that we have a ready product which fits his conditions. All this was done. The only what we added, not just added, we showed that, because this setting was done by default in the code. It was hard coded, the minimal retirement. He told that we didn't, we like ignored to do that. We make that visible settings, but before it was hard coded 75%. Okay, so the product was ready. The compiled version was provided him. Okay, we can show him that this is the final date of the modifications. So this is the version. Okay. So next, due to martingale inside the bridge, not inside the bridge, inside the expert advisor, we have one big issue. This issue is that the ticks the price at some particular moment on MT5 and on the binary.com binary option trading, because this MT5 designed for forex trading, not for binary option trading, and ticks are different, prices difference. The difference is not very big. From time to time they are going simultaneously, but from time to time 1 or 2 pips the difference. And this is why from time to time MT5 EA decided that this particular deal is profitable, but on the binary.com the deal is negative, because you can see here, this is the time and the entry point which we send command to binary.com. We send them this particular moment, but they open a deal at this moment. You see, it's quite big difference in the pips. So if the deal, let's say this is the deal, this is the put. So if, let's say, put will be closed somewhere between, on the MT5 it will be positive, but on binary.com it will be negative.